an evacuation center. I'm filming this. These are the people whose homes were washed out by Typhoon Ondoy. There. So there are 50 families in the center. There. They have been, all of them was lots of children, homeless and hungry. And my colleague, the two guys, trying to coordinate with the coordinators of there.
Kunan ko lang doon. Tignan, kukuha lang ako doon.